My name is Jero Manninen. I'm an IT procurement manager at Intercom. I'm managing most of our SaaS stack and also hardware spent on IT side. I'm leading a multi-year project to evaluate our SaaS stack and improve our return of investment across the stack.
You mentioned that you were using Notion for project management. What kind of led to that migration from Notion to Coda?
Our primary use case was our company's internal wiki, but due to use cases, return of investment wasn't there for us. We might have a tool that has only one use case. There could be a tool that has 10 use cases. Depending on the tool and the cost, the return of investment is really good or really bad. Coda is one of our core tools, so there is many use cases, and this new use case to bring wiki to Coda made just very much sense.
How did your migration process go?
I was surprised how simple the migration was with your migration tool. It didn't need a team of people to complete. It was mostly me doing the migration with some help from a few other people. If you can minimize the effort and the time you use to do that, that is extremely high return of investment for the tool.